Hello, my dear friends. Our first card from the Archangel is peace. And they say, release the past, there is more enriching future coming. Let go and let God. I just love this card. We are being taken care of by our angels, and there is new beginnings coming for the better. There's change for the better coming our way. We're not allowing the devil to take hold of us again. And they say we must keep moving forward, even if you are unsure of your next steps or where it may take you. Trust that you are walking the path you are meant to walk. Remember, we are walking it with you. Trust yourself more. And they say the magic works through you. You are now choosing the magic of the divine, which is just wonderful. There's bright happenings coming your way. And the angel card is naught, naught, naught. That's starting all over again. And there's guidance. You have the full support of the divine. The guidance you are seeking is here, and your life is moving in the right direction. This is the start of new beginnings where one cycle ends and a new begin. You are in your power and you aligning yourself with the divine. And they say slow down and celebrate yourself. You've done a wonderful job, even if you don't think so. Something is coming your way, something you wished for as a child. It's on its way to you. And they say your patience will be rewarded, and your plans and your wishes will come true. It's the end of being hassled and troubled by other people's problems and even problems that we put upon ourselves. There is prosperity coming your way. It's time for your hard work to pay off, and it's going to bring you so much happiness. Thank you very much for listening. Have a lovely evening. Sleep tight. Night, night.